हेलो नमस्कार मित्रों, दरेकનું हार्दिक स्वागत છે। મિત્રો ધોરણ 10 વિષય ઇંગ્લિશ આપણે યુનિટ નંબર 3 અને ઇન્ટરવ્યુ વિથ અરુણ કૃષ્ણમૂર્તિ। મિત્રો સંપૂર્ણ સ્વાધ્યાય પોથીનું સોલ્યુશન જોઈશું તે પહેલા ચેનલમાં નવા છો તો ફટાફટ ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરી તમારા મિત્રોને પણ શેર કરી દેશો। ચાલો શરૂ કરીએ। મિત્રો જોઈએ સેક્શન એ થી, જેની અંદર રીડ ધ એક્સ્ટ્રેક્ટ એન્ડ આન્સર ધ ક્વેશ્ચન થી આપણે જોવાના છીએ, જેમાં ફકરો વાંચવાનો છે, ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સર આપવાના છે। પહેલો પ્રશ્ન રહેશે what are the activities of Arun's team? Answer: Arun's team cleans lakes, bathes and zoos, plants trees and educates people through street plays. ત્યારબાદ question 2, which organization did Arun found at the age of 17? Arun founded the NGO Environmentalist Foundation of India, EFI. ત્યારબાદ આગળ પ્રશ્ન 3, cleaning lakes does not take more than a week, true or false? તો false. ત્યારબાદ પ્રશ્ન 4, how long does it take to clean a lake? It can take anywhere between 5 days and 3 months to completely clean a lake, depending on its size and the amount of garbage. ત્યારબાદ પ્રશ્ન 5, which is the most serious issue in India today? Answer: water wastage is one of the most serious issue in India today. પ્રશ્ન 6, why Arun is known as the one-man NGO? The text states that Arun is known as the one-man NGO because he decided to help people stop water wastage by helping them single-handedly. પ્રશ્ન 7, name the national award winner mentioned in the paragraph. The national award winner mentioned in the paragraph is Abid Surti. પ્રશ્ન 8, what noble work is done by Abid Surti? Answer: Abid Surti waged war against water wastage by walking around homes in Mumbai every Sunday and fixing leaking taps to save water. પ્રશ્ન 9, what is Abid Surti? Abid Surti is a writer, artist and cartoonist and a national award winner known for his work in combating water wastage. ત્યારબાદ મિત્રો પ્રશ્ન 2, write any one of the following short notes focusing on the question. તો આપણે જે છે શોર્ટ નોટ લખીશું, જેનો ટોપિક છે અરુણ યંગ એન્વાયરમેન્ટલિસ્ટ। જોઈએ, Arun Krishnamurti is environmentalist at age of 70. He founded an Environmentalist Foundation of India. He awards for the cause of environment. Arun his team of volunteer clean baths and other water bodies, plant trees, and also make environment-friendly paper bags. He first cleaned a lake next to his house with a couple of friends. He got a lot of support from his parents and teachers. Arun feels that it is important to protect bird and animal. He feels that water bodies should be kept clean so that birds and animals can live peacefully. Arun left a good job at Google to devote his full attention to environment. He encouraged the student and youth to volunteer with him in helping the environment. ત્યારબાદ અરુણ NGO EFI, તો તેના વિશે લખીશું। At a young age of 17, Arun founded an NGO called Environmentalist Foundation of India, which works for the cause of environment. Arun first cleaned a lake next to his house, which was heavily polluted, leading to the spread of mosquitoes and making the place ugly. Arun and his couple of friends cleaned the lake. Arun and his team of volunteers clean banks and other water bodies, plant trees, and also make environment-friendly paper bags. The NGO cleans water bodies and uses the garbage for landfill with no or minimal exposure through environment. The NGO encourages students to participate in this work. It also offers fellowship To interest students, it encourages the youth and trains them, make them actively involved in its activities. ત્યારબાદ આગળ write whether the sentences are true or false. પહેલું એટલે કે 12મા નંબરે રહેશે Arun climbed the big river next to his home. Wrong. Arun parents named his interest was in mathematics. Wrong. Arun left his job at Google 2010 and founded an NGO. Right. Arun's teacher taught him to be simple and kept learning. Right. Arun does not use heavy machinery to clean garbage. Wrong. ત્યારબાદ આગળ being the president of the eco club of your school, what project will you undertake? તો જોઈએ as president of the eco club, I would focus on projects that promote environment awareness and action within the school and community. This would include waste management inactivities, tree planting campaigns, energy conservation efforts, and educational workshops on suitability. The goal is to foster culture of environmental responsibility and create a more suitable school environment. મિત્રો આપણે ચેનલ પર તમામ વિષયના સ્વાધ્યાય પોથી સ્વાધ્યાય નકશા પોથી પ્રયોગ પોથી તમામનું સોલ્યુશન મળી જશે જેની લિંક આ વિડિયો ડિસ્ક્રિપ્શનમાં આપેલી છે. સેક્શન બી જેની અંદર રીડ ધ પેરેગ્રાફ એન્ડ આન્સર ધ ક્વેશ્ચન. 17મો પ્રશ્ન છે Why was the narrator always considered as a new girl? Answer. The narrator was always considered a new girl because her father worked in the railways, which meant they moved often and she had to change school frequently. Question 18. What happened when the narrator reached her newest classroom? When the narrator reached her newest classroom, she felt a stomach from fear, shivered and tried to hold back tears. 35 boys and girls stared at her and she tried to avoid their looks. Then she saw a girl smiling at her and frozen terror began to melt when the teacher told her to sit next to Manisha. Question 19. She felt uncomfortable to a new class and student. True. Question 20. When did the narrator's frozen terror began to melt? Answer. The narrator frozen terror began to melt when the teacher told her to sit next to Manisha. Question 21. Find out the similar word for strange તો unknown. જોઈએ પ્રશ્ન 2 છે read the following data and answer the question. પ્રશ્ન 22. Who was the organizer of the fair? The organizer of the fair was the Gujarat Book Center, Ahmedabad. ત્યારબાદ how much discount was given on books? 18% discount was given on all books. ત્યારબાદ પ્રશ્ન 24. When was the book fair held? The book fair was held only till 31st December 2024. ત્યારબાદ 25. Where was the book fair located? The book fair was located at Town Hall, Sector 6, Gandhinagar. પ્રશ્ન 26. Did they accept online payments? Yes, they accepted online and card payments. ત્યારબાદ આગળ read the interview and answer the question. 27મો પ્રશ્ન Who are talking her? A reporter and Robert are talking her. પ્રશ્ન 28. For what does the reporter congratulate Rohit? Answer. The reporter congratulates Rohit for winning the T20 World Cup. 29 question. How does Rohit feel? Answer. Rohit feels aversion and cannot describe the feelings in words. प्रश्न 30. What message does Rohit give to the youth of India? Answer. Rohit tells the youth of India to believe in their dreams and create their destiny. प्रश्न 4. Match the language function with the sentence. तो पहलो 31 नंबर है she spoke so well that she could win the competition. तो આવશે describing result. We eat to live તો આવશે showing purpose. અને I congratulate the body who won the gold medal તો આવશે describing person. ત્યારબાદ આગળ સેક્શન સી તરફ જેની અંદર પણ આપણે પાર્ટ એની અંદર 34 નંબર છે wish you good luck તો સામે આવશે describing notice. ત્યારબાદ my class teacher often tell us a story તો આવશે expressing frequency of an action. અને my friend played well but lost the game તો આવશે describing contrast. ત્યારબાદ મિત્રો પ્રશ્ન 5. choose and write the appropriate response to complete the conversation. 37 નંબર છે Aryan, why didn't you attend my birthday party? પૂજા I was suffering from ever એટલે કે ઓપ્શન સી સાચો બનશે. 38. મીના, how can you help me in this project? Rohit, I can draw picture and tables which can give you clear idea. તો આવશે ઓપ્શન ડી. ત્યારબાદ select the correct option question to get the underlined words as their answer. 39 નંબર છે Rita has 5 roses તો આવશે answer how many roses has Rita. ત્યારબાદ 40 Nasreen goes to the gym every Sunday તો આપણો આન્સર બનશે when does Nasreen go to the gym. ત્યારબાદ essentially mother makes dosa for us તો આવશે what does mother make for us. 42 Siraj rarely scores runs તો આવશે answer how often does Siraj score runs. ત્યારબાદ fill in the blank, select the correct word from the bracket. બ્રેકેટના આધારે જે કૌંસમાં શબ્દો આપેલા છે તેના આધારે આપણે પૂરી કરવાની છે. તો we see a lot of people cause pollution in the river. They throw garbage into them and cause water pollution. It is our duty to educate people about environmental degradation. 44 We should be ready to solve environmental problems. Throwing dump in rivers can harm aquatic life. It's important to pay attention to recycle the waste. It is everyone's responsibility to protect our surrounding. ત્યારબાદ મિત્રો સેક્શન ડી છે જેની અંદર ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 49 જોઈએ my mother તો usually gets up early in the morning. ઓપ્શન બી સાચો બનશે. ત્યારબાદ 50 last year we enjoyed the cricket match. ઓપ્શન એ સાચો બનશે. ત્યારબાદ આગળ સેક્શન ઈ તરફ જોઈએ describe the picture in about 10 sentences તો લખીએ તેના વિશે. The picture depicts a severely polluted environment, likely a river bank or coastal area overwhelmed by discarded waste, a vast expanse of debris including plastic bags, bottles and various types of litter. Covers the land extending towards a body of water that also appears contaminated. The scene highlights the detrimental impact of human activities on natural ecosystem. The sheer volume of waste suggests a significant lack of proper waste management and disposal practices. This pollution poses a serious threat to aquatic life and the overall health of the environment. The image serves as stark importance of collective efforts to mitigate pollution and protect our plant for future generation. प्रश्न 22. Write paragraph in about 18 words on My India Clean India. Use the words given below. જોઈએ My India Clean India is a circular initiative championed by the Government of India, notably throughout the Prime Minister's mission of Swachh Bharat, emphasizing cleanliness. It's vital to install its importance, starting with claims is called to cultivate responsible habits from a young age. We must encourage people across the nation to actively participate in cleaning efforts, transforming areas from pollution to no pollution. This collective endeavor is essential for creating a healthier, more beautiful and suitable everyone. મિત્રો આ પ્રમાણેનું સંપૂર્ણ સોલ્યુશન હતું. હવે આગળના જે પ્રકરણ છે અને ચેપ્ટર છે, યુનિટ છે, તમામ પ્રકારના સોલ્યુશનની લિંક આ વિડીયોના ડિસ્ક્રિપ્શનમાં મળી જશે. ત્યાંથી પણ તમે જોઈ લેશો અને આ વિડીયો તમારા મિત્રોને શેર કરી દેશો.